Okay, so let's get started, guys. Right now, I'm just using my Ruby Kisses foundation that I got from my local beauty supply store. It comes with 2 shades in the little package, and I'm just testing both on my face to see which one I would like better to use with my bald cap method. I ended up picking the one on the left side because it's the lighter one and it just fit my skin a little bit better. So, as you can see right now, I'm just applying it all over the cap, all over the front half of the cap. And I'm just gonna apply it ear to ear, and once that's done, I don't know where the footage went of me applying the Got To Be Glued, but I applied the Got To Be Glued on top of the makeup and a little bit of freeze spray, and right now I'm just blow drying it with my blow dryer. I picked my daughter up because kids always seem to want you when you're doing something, but I'm gonna keep blow drying it until it's dry. I don't want it sticky, tacky, nothing. I want it completely dried. Once it's completely dried, I'm just gonna cut off the excess cap with my scissors. I'm gonna cut it around my forehead. I'm gonna get rid of what's not needed. I'm cutting off the extra ear tabs that are there. And yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of all the extra bald cap that I don't need. And you're gonna see that it's gonna start to look like skin very soon. Now that all that extra cap is cut off, I'm just showing you guys the wig that I made. It was a 360 frontal, and I only used 2 bundles in the wig. I forgot the length. I'll put that all in the description box in the hair type. Right now, I'm just putting the wig on, seeing how it looks on myself, adjusting it, making sure the ear tabs are going to line up. Make sure it's lining up in the back. Even though it is a 360, I did not glue the back down. I never got a chance to. But right now, you're just going to see me testing out the wig, making sure it's fitting me correctly. I want it to fit right. Now I'm just going to cut the extra lace off the cap of the wig, the frontal. Now that the cap is cut off, I'm again testing the wig on myself, seeing how it fits, making sure it's going to be laying flat. And now I'm going to begin to glue it down. Okay, so now I'm just going to start applying the first layer of the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. And I usually like to work in sections, so I just start from maybe the middle of my head to about my eyebrows, and I'm just going to apply the first layer of the cream. Once I have the first layer on, I like to fan it instead of blow drying it because I don't want it to dry too fast. So I just fan it, the first layer, and then once I get the first layer down and it turns clear, and that means it's dry, I'm just going to apply the second layer. I also realized that I did not clean my forehead with alcohol before applying the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. So I applied some alcohol to clean up my forehead. Then I went back and applied the second layer. I didn't wipe off the first layer. I just cleaned around it. Stupid, I know. But now that I have the second layer on, I'm just going to fan it dry. And then once it's fanned dry, I'm going to start applying the lace onto it. Now you see me slowly pulling up the wig to apply the lace on it. I just like to tap the lace on to the glue. I don't want it to stick it down too hard or force it down because I don't want any white looking residue on the lace once I apply the lace to the glue. And then I like to use a rat tail comb, and I just like to, go over the lace a little bit just to make sure that the lace and the glue are sticking together. Then I kind of comb it into applying a little pressure, but not too much. And once I have that side of my hair done, I'm going to start applying the first and second layer to the sides of my hair and then to the ear tabs, and make sure that is all glued down and ready to apply the lace to it. Once I have one side done, I go over to the other side and I literally do the exact same steps. When it comes to the ear tabs, I like to cut around my ear with scissors and just get rid of that extra lace, so the hair can lay completely flat on my ear tabs. That way, I can do that style where I pull some hair down, behind the ear, all that good stuff.